Welcome back to my channel. And here we are going to work on the construction of this object using isometric drafting. So as I said that we have the tool for isometric drafting. So we have it here, and then we need to switch from one isoplane left to isoplane top and to isoplane right, depending on the phase that you want to construct on this object. So if I'm to construct this rectangle here, I have to make use of isoplane right. If I'm to construct this particular square that we have here, I have to switch to isoplane left, and also this rectangle that we have here. For me to construct this rectangle here, I have to switch to isoplane right. For me to construct this top face of the object, I have to switch to isoplane top, and also to construct this, I have to switch to isoplane top. But sometimes you may not need to do that, as you are going to see me using this isometric drafting to construct this object here on this workspace here. Okay, so let's go and see how this can be done. So I'll be using this particular color, this magenta color. That's what I'll be using to construct this object. So let's start. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do here, I need to switch this to drafting annotation. That is what that is for the two-dimensional drawing. So we switch it now. Okay. Now, so I am going to click on line. Okay. Then I want to work on this face first. So let me escape. So this is the right face. So I need to switch to isoplane right. So this is isoplane right. Okay. So then I click on line. Then I'm going to draw a line in this direction. So we have 60. The length of the rectangle is 60. So 60. So enter. Then the width is 30. So 30. So enter. Then again, so 60. So enter. Then we have what we have 30. So 30. Enter. So we have created. So escape. So we have created this rectangle. We have created this rectangle. So now I want to create this square. This is a square because distance from here to here is 30, and from here to here is 30. So so it's a square. I want to create this square. So I have to switch now to isoplane left. So I have isoplane left here. So then I click on line. Then coming to this point. So we have what we go in this direction. So 30, enter. So the height is 30. So enter. Then bring to this point. So 30. So enter. So right click and enter. So then we want to create this face here. So which is also a rectangle. Distance from here to here is 20, and from here to here is 30. So we switch to isoplane right. So so I will click on line, then coming to this point. So so this is 20. So enter, then 30, enter, then so 20. So enter. So right click, so enter. So we have created this particular rectangle. Now let's create this rectangle here. So that means we are also switching now to isoplane left. So then click on line. So come to this point here. So this is 10. So we have 10. Then the height is 30. So enter. Then back to 10. So we have 10. Enter. Right click and enter. Okay. Now, so we have created this rectangle. So we have created this rectangle, and this rectangle. So now we go for the top face. We want to create the top face now. So to create the top face, so we have to switch to isoplane top. So isoplane top. So I will click on line. So click on line. So then we start from this point. So click, then so we have 35. So look at the dimensions that we have on the top face. So we have 35. So 35, enter. So then we have what we have to create the feature that we have here. So we have to move. So we have to move in a bit to that is 5. So enter. Then we have what we have 10. So 10, enter. Then we have 5 again, enter. Then we go in this direction. So the remaining length is 35 by my calculation. Remaining length is 35. I've done my calculation. So just type 35, enter. Then we connect to this point. That is what that is. The total length is 40 on that width side. So we have 40. So enter. So we have created the top face as we have here. Okay. Then on this part here, what we have here, there is a line that goes down here. So we are going to put off isometric drafting. So then you make sure you have your auto mode on. Okay. So then click on line. So we come to this point. Then we go down like this. So that is 30. So 30, enter. So we right click, then click on enter. So we have excess lines here. Excess line there that we need to remove. So just come to trim. So then trim this off. So and also we trim this. So right click, enter. So now, so what we have left is this particular object that we have here. So which is a cuboid, is a cuboid because length from here to here is 25 and the width from here to here is 20. So it's a cuboid. So we need to create it. So we create it. So what we need to do now is that we switch to isoplane. Isoplane, okay, we need to put on, we need to activate isometric drafting. Then we switch to isoplane, isoplane top. So we still have isoplane tops being activated. So what we need to do now is to come to line. So we click on line, then I will click on this point, then I will move. So we have what we have 20. So we have 20 on this side. So I will type 20, enter. Then we have another 20. So 20, enter. Then we have what we have 20 again. So enter. Right click, so enter. So we have created the square base of this object. So what we need to do now is that we need to erect a vertical line on each of these points, on each of these 4 points. We erect a vertical line on each of them. So what I need to do now, I'm going to switch off the deactivate isometric drafting. Then I will click on line. So coming to this point here, I will draw a vertical line of height 25. So the height to 25, type 25, press enter. So right click, enter. Then right click again, repeat line. So coming to this point, so we have 25 again. So right click, enter. So we have this. Okay. Then right click again, repeat line. So come to this point and then 25, enter. Then right click, so enter. So come to this point again. So repeat the line. So we have 25. So enter. So right click, so enter. So now, so we need to put on the isometric drafting. So then we need to have the isoplane top being activated. So it's already activated. So we click on line, then we come to this point. So, and then move it to this point, then move to this point, then move to this point, then move to this point. So right click, enter. So we have this, the cuboid has been drawn, has been placed on this object. So what we need to do now is that we need to remove this line, we remove this line, and remove this line, as you can't see them here on this object. So I need to come to click on trim, then I will trim this. So trim this line, and then I will trim this. So right click, enter. So you can see that we have completed this. So this is the object. Okay, so I need to remove this also. So I need to remove this line. So remove this. So right click, enter. So you can see the object now, as we can see it here on this object, as you can see it here. So we have drawn it. So as you can see, it is as simple as I've done it here. All you need to do is to practice. So thank you. Keep on practicing, and God bless you.